What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I'm going to be doing an HBA funnel builder review video in case you're looking for an alternative to ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Kartra, ConvertKit, Lead Pages, the Conversion Pros, or even Builder All. This is going to help you save money, but yet it's going to help you grow your business at the same time because it has the tools that you need in order for you to grow your business. And I'm going to show you those tools. But first, let's just talk about some of the pros and the cons that are, that comes with this system. Now, I'm going to show you the pros inside of the system itself, but I just wanted to share with you one of the, the things that I really don't like about it that much. But that's not stopping me from, doing my business, and it's not stopping anyone else from doing their business as well. And that con is you're not able to give someone a share code where they can actually upload the, a funnel that you create into their system. But there are workarounds. But if I feel like if they just had a share code or some kind of way to import that funnel into the system, okay, without having to go through some steps, then that would work fine. And that's really the only con that I have about it. I can't think of anything else. So what I want to do in this video, is actually go into the back office and show you the funnel builder itself and show you what you're going to get as far as training is, with this system as well. Okay, so like I said, the con is you can't you can't import share codes, okay, like you can with some system. But there are 3 workarounds in it that you can do, okay, that's going to help you and your team to grow, whether it's network marketing or whatever the case may be. Okay, so don't let that stop you from getting your hand on this little system. So here we are now. We're in the back office of the Home Business Academy, which houses the HBA funnel builder, and I'm under the funnel builder now. So if we look at the funnel builder, these are all of the trainings you're going to get. Okay, you want to watch these 3 videos first. Okay, watch these 3 videos. Okay, because it even tells you the 3 steps to building any business online, and you really want to watch that. You have the funnel builder setup. Okay, you can integrate a custom domain, and I'll show you that. Getting hooked up with an autoresponder, we recommend GetResponse. There will be a link, down in the description. And autoresponder integration, okay, with the funnel builder. So you're going to go through that training. Then all the training that you need concerning the funnel builder is here. You can do URL redirects, okay, exit pop-ups, tracking leads with the builder, membership sites. All of this training you're going to get. Plus, on top of that, you can get live coaching as well, as whereas on the first Monday of each month, everybody that has the HBA funnel builder comes on at that time to ask questions and find out, what's working and what needs to be done inside of the funnel builder itself. Okay, so that's that as far as the training. To get to the tool itself, you're going to click on this little green button right here, which I've already clicked on. But once you click this button, it's going to open up a new tab, okay? And you're going to have to log in separately from that, okay? So that's a separate login. So here's the funnel builder. If we just go across the top, you're going to see your name here. That's the builder. You can actually have a store, okay? If you're doing e-commerce, you can store products, you can add products, shipment methods, okay, and payment methods, which means you can connect to places like Stripe, and other places like that, wherever you're using or to collect your money at, okay. You have orders over here. Back over to the left-hand side, you have orders, products, discounts, layout, styling, and setting. So you can do all of that under the store. You can add your contacts here. I have plenty of contacts in here, so I won't show that. I don't want to reveal that information. But you can set up appointments in here, like an appointment booking, okay, in here, just like you would if you use Calendly or something like that, some other calendar source. So you can set up booking events in here. You can set up schedules, have operators and services and things of that nature. So you don't necessarily have to go outside to get appointment booking software. It comes with the system. So if we go back to the builder over here, if you look to the right, this is my domain, and this opens up in a new tab. So you can connect your domain, and you're going to see, see your page here. Okay, so that's your domain name. This builder works in blocks, and I'll show you a little bit of that, how that works here in a moment. But these are some of the pages you create. And if you just go across the top here to this arrow, it takes you to the next page in the funnel and the next page in the funnel as well. So you can do all kind of pages in here, membership sites and everything. So if we come over here, if we go to these three little lines here, you'll see all of the funnels that you have created. Here you can create pop-ups. If you see some of the exit pop-ups that I've already created over here, so you can create those. If you come to the plus sign, this is where you drag elements onto the page, okay, that you're working on. And I'll show you a demonstration of that shortly. Next is the global styling. You have text styling. You can change it to whatever you want. If you click to edit, you can edit this by changing the font sizes and all of that. You can do it on a mobile as well. Okay, you have Arial, whatever font that you want in here, you can do that. Okay, and you can change your text links, colors, and all of that information is in here as well. You're gonna click confirm. That's done. We go back to it again. You can add some fonts. The color palette. This is what your main colors that you want your theme, your funnels, your website, your membership site to be. You can choose the color palettes in here. Let's go back again. You can have website layout. I don't mess with that. And page styling, I don't mess with that as well. So you got that. Also, if we go to funnels, this is where you're going to see all of the funnels that you have. You can actually put a spacer in between here, okay? So you can keep up with each of the funnels that you're creating. So you see all of the funnels that I have here. You'll see your analytics over here. You can see sales, you can see orders, you can see products, you can see up sales and down sales, all of that in there as well, okay? We go back to funnels. Let's just come down through here, and I'm going to pick on one of the funnels that I set up, which is this one right here. And this is the funnel, and you can actually click the little arrow again, look at the next page, okay, and go to the next page. So you can set up as many pages. These are unlimited. You can have as many as you want. There's no cap on that, okay? So if I come back over here to funnels again, and let's just say this testimonial funnel that I set up. It's not even a funnel, it's just testimonials. And if I open it up, preview it in a new tab, you can see what I have done here. I created this inside of this little funnel builder. If I click next, watch the videos of the testimonials, click next. And if you notice, I'm giving them a button to get to 30-minute workday, a free guide, click next. Okay. And this is just some of the things that you can do with this builder, okay? And this is the actual page of the Home Business Academy. And if you read this page, you'll see everything that you get here. Everything is unlimited, all of that. So there's, no reason why you shouldn't get it unless you're just completely satisfied with what you got. Now, this little builder is only $25 per month, and you earn a 20 or 80% commission on this little funnel builder as well, okay? So that's some of the funnels that you can lay out in here. If we look at the little cog here, you can set up custom code, which is for all of your funnels that's inside of the system. You can put your Facebook pixel, Google tags, Bing, UTM codes, all of that in here inside of there. We go back, you have on-page SEO. You can do all of that for the particular pages that you have. File manager here, you can upload images and PDFs and audio into here, so you don't have to have another image hosting account. You can have all of that in there as well. Also, we come down through here, we go down to general. You can have domains. You can set up one domain. If you see that I have sixfigurerichard.com right here, you're going to connect it to here. And so everything you use, you'll just use this one domain / whatever it is that you're doing, okay? This is my main domain name right here. You have the language and time that you can set up, cookies and privacy, applications. Here's where you connect any application for autoresponders are concerned. Okay, so we have a list of those there. Then we have personalization, okay, which you can use these little parameters, okay, it's going to help you, you know, inside of your pages and things like that. You can use that as well. URL redirects. As you see, I have one for Get Response here. So that's leading to the Get Response affiliate program. And I'm just using that root domain, sixfigurerichard.com/get response. So you can put that in here as well, okay, to set up some get responses. Some redirects to whatever affiliate program, MLM program, e-commerce, whatever it is that you're doing. You can set this up to work for that as well, okay. So if we look at the, let's see, you have the custom code. We click on, I want to show you one more thing. The custom code, as I said earlier, is for all of the funnels. But if you just want to do certain pages, then you would come down here to the page head markup and do the header, and the page body is like your footer, okay? So you can do that as well. You come down here. You can also look at the phone view. Okay, make sure it looks good on mobile. You see what it looks like in the phone view. You can also see what it looks like in the tablet view. Okay, and then you can go back to, you know, the computer view, what it's going to look like on desktop. Okay, so you have all of this. Now, you can also set up in here split testing. If you want to, like an A/B test, if I want to split test this page here, I could do a split testing between the capture page to capture page, or opt-in page, bridge page. I can do all of that in this little funnel builder here, and it doesn't take long to do it. Just like if this funnel right here, if I want to set up another page, you know, to this without the image, you know, or with some different text, then I can do that with this little funnel builder. So everything you need is inside of here. That's going to help you grow your business. You see, you can make stuff pop and bounce around and all of that. And so if I wanted to set up a funnel, I would simply come here. I would add a new step, do a section label, and I would just type in test. Okay, it's going to be a test page. And I just want to give you a little overview of how this works. So you click on add a new step. You get all of these templates in here that are already pre-done, okay? We have privacy policy, term of service, legal disclaimer. There's even a contact in here, right here as well, okay? So you get all of these pages. You have the perfect templates here. You have network marketing, a little funnel for that, lead generation. All of these are templates, but personally for me, now this is one of the things that I was talking about. What you can do, if you have a team, you can ask them to add your funnel into this list over here, and your team can come in and use it, okay? But a lot of people don't want to do that because they don't want other people, you know, seeing their funnels or whatever. And that's cool, so I understand that. But that's just one of the ways that you can share this with your team. And there are other ways that you can do it as well. So what I do is empty page. I'm going to give this page a name. I'm just going to name it test. Whatever you type here is going to populate here, but you can change this if you want to put something after that, okay? That's totally up to you, okay? Then you also have the on-page SEO. It's going to automatically save there. When it's saved here, this is what's going to show up in the tab on your browser, okay? So if I click add, now I have the funnel. As I said, we're working in blocks. So if I click on, you know, if I want to change the color of this block, I can change the color of it to red, green, white, light blue, you know, that kind of blue, or no color at all. So I'm going to go white. And then if I want to add an image to that, I can come down here and grab an image. Let's just use this one here. Going to click on select, and you see that image is up there in the page. Okay, if I want to center it, center to center, change all of these vertically and all of that right there, you can do that, and you can add it just like that right there. And so you can change the speed of the parallax and all of that, add some gradient, some overlay. It's just different things that you can do up here. You want to drop some text in it right there. So you just come over here and you can grab some text and drop some text in there as well. Okay. So, and you can, if you don't like that, then just disregard it. Boom. And it comes back out. So if I wanted to add a new block, come over here, you have call to action, services, images, and text. Okay. I like to do an empty block. I want to come over here to the plus sign and I'm going to grab some text. I'm going to drop down there in that box. Okay. I'm going to edit this text. I'm going to delete that out of there and say, let's go back and learn how to type. Put in, this is just a test. Then we're going to highlight it. Going to come over here and center it. I can make it whatever size I want. I can change the color on it if I want to. If I want to change the font to bigger, let's go to font here. Bangers. If I want to do Arial, and you can make it bigger. Okay, so that's the text in there. You can also bold it, italicize it, change the header size and all of that good stuff. So if I like that right there, you know, that's good. Then if I want to come over here, I just add another block, or you can add into that block. I'm going to go an empty block. Then I'm going to come over here to the plus sign. I'm going to grab a form. Drop that form down in there. You can move these things around on the pages. I'm going to delete the messages, delete the subject. I'm going to add a phone number. Okay, so you can have that in there. And that there is your form. Okay, if you want to edit the form, you can click here to edit the fields. You can click on the pencil to edit information in here as well. Okay, click on the little wheel there. You can change information in here. Thank you page connected to the next page, wherever you want to go to the next funnel in the step. And connect it to your get response or autoresponder. You want to style it, come over here. You can say button style. If I want to change the button to, you know, if I want to change the button to red as well, then it'll be red. You can move this around, change the colors here up and down. I'm going to leave it like that. You can change the text on here, make it bigger, bold it, line spacing, open sans, Arial, text color. You can change it to black if you want to, green, it doesn't matter. We're going to leave it white for now. Let's see here. You can change the padding on the button. Okay, the button radiuses. You can have the assignment hover effect if we wanted to, you know, grow. You can make it grow. If we wanted to slide from the right, you can do all of that. So you can change the hover color, whatever, you know, the hover color. Want to change it to green. So there's a lot that you can do with this little funnel builder. It's just real powerful. If you want to add some more text to it, add a line of text right there. Want to come down. Okay, let's make this form a little smaller. And we're going to click here. We're going to make sure we center it. Okay. Now there's the form. And we're going to add a block. And what if you wanted to add empty block? You can come over here and you can grab something and add a video as well. You can drop a video down in here. Go over to YouTube, wherever, and grab the video source code and just drop it in there and it works. Okay, so if I just come over here to YouTube see, and I'll grab any video for now. Copy link address, paste it in there, and there's the video. Okay, and you can change the size of it and all of that good stuff. So you can do a lot with this little tool. If I save or change it. Now this is an ugly page, but okay, we're gonna view it, and there you go. That's the page there. Okay, so we've looked at it that way. We click on here and go straight to the page. All of that information is there. So this is just something I quickly threw together, but it works if you are willing to, you know, put in the time. And if you don't want this funnel, then you can just come back over here and click the three little buttons and delete the label and say remove label, and it's gone. Now everything is back to the way it was. So that's what you get with this little funnel builder. It's a powerful little funnel builder. I hope you got some value from this Home Business Academy funnel builder review. If you have any questions or information, you know, you want to share with me about the funnel builder, just feel free to get in contact with me. Go ahead and click the link in the description below this video and get your funnel builder, get your Get Response account, and also subscribe to the channel as well. My name is Richard Harrison. I hope you got value. You have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.